Okay, so here we have a control cable for the throttle on a 1979 Grumman Tiger. There's been a lot of discussion lately about lubricating the control cable, which sounds good in theory, but the reason the control cable go bad is and become stiff is usually way more entailed than lubrication. Okay, so we have now cut our throttle cable. I've taken the inner cable out, and as you can see, there's rust here. There's some more here in this location. Basically, wherever it bent quite a bit, you'll see quite a bit of corrosion and rust. And then we look at the casing, the outer casing, which I cut the plastic sheath off of it and then opened it up so you could get a look inside. And there is quite a bit of rust inside. So what happens is this center cable, which is a braided cable wrapped by a stainless steel or a steel sleeve. I guess it's supposed to be stainless, but the quality of stainless may not be the greatest. And that's supposed to allow it to slide inside this nice and smoothly. But over the years, this vibrates and creates grooves inside here. Between that and the fact that this rubber sheath on the outside, or the vinyl sheath on the outside, gets wear holes in it and things like that, and moisture and water gets inside here, which creates rust. So yes, you could lubricate this, but lubricating it is not going to get rid of the rust. And this inner cable can have some corrosion on it, which it does, just a slight bit anyway. And those can break internally, and then you'll have a total cable failure. So the manufacturer recommends that these get changed at TBO for the engine. Most of the aircraft from the 70s still have their original cables in it. So yes, you could take this apart and you could put a piece of hose over it and clamp it and inject oil through it. However, I believe it's probably got its service life, and if this fails, you're going to have one miserable day. Thank you, and have a good day.